Yes, soulmates, in this video quickly I want to show you how you can fix your jean button. Yes, jean button. This is jean button in case you don't know it, and this is the pin that comes with it. So you're just using your hammer quickly. If this is what you like to learn, kindly watch from beginning to the end. And if you are seeing my channel for the first time, you're welcome. Do well to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop an amazing video like this, you'll be the first to get notified. And to our returning subscriber, you're welcome. Thank you for always coming back to the channel. And happy new month to you all. And I pray this is going to be our best month. So the first thing that I did after I made my hole for my button, I've marked the points where I'll be fixing the button. Can you see it? Can you see the second one? So this is a jeans skirt with front pockets. So you don't need to do much. On that point, you don't even need to use any tools to make hole for this. So look at it. Just put the pin behind like this. Can you see it? That's entered it. So then you put this the button on it. Then so here is the hook. Here is the button. Then I'll just put the button down like this. Make sure it fits in very well like this. So I'll just use my hammer gently so that it will enter it. Then after it enters it, then we do it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Very neat. So that to not be. Can you see it? See how neat this turns out. So quickly I'll do the front on. Just put your pin behind on that point that you marked. Then push in like so, gently. Then if the material is too thick, then you can use something to, can use maybe seam ripper to make the hole. Then you put it in. That one is, this one is somehow thick. Can you see it? So I'll put the button like the way we do the first one, then put it down. Make sure it sets gently like this. Can you see it? Because if you do not do it gently, it will bend. So I'll do the last one. Look at the button, well fixed. Alright there, soulmate, this is the end of our today's tutorial. I hope you find these tips helpful. If you do, do well to comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.